Afternoon guys, Lee from Source. Here we've got a 2010 Porsche 911. It's a 997.2, so it's the facelift. And on this unit, on this vehicle, we have fitted a nice looking Kenwood. It's a DMX8021. Says the box for it. Nice little unit. Looks lovely once it's fitted properly in there. I'll just turn it on for you. So as you see, we've upgraded it with the new Porsche logo, so it just looks a little bit more factory for the customer. Now this unit, it features, obviously we've got FM radio, we've got DAB radio. Obviously we've got all the DAB stations there that you can just go through. 60 or 70 different choices on DAB, so a lot better than FM. So we've got your FM as well, so your normal radio, so you're in areas without DAB signal. This unit has also got Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Apologies, I haven't got a phone connected, but these will both do wireless connections, so you don't have to plug the phones in. So nice, got no wires trailing anywhere. So just in the glove box here, you can see we've got the USB cable, so the customer can plug a phone in if he wants to charge it, or you can also use USB sticks with music on, so you can play music that way. Obviously I said it's got DAB radio, so on Porsche, nice little discreet Kenwood aerial just on the windscreen there, top corner. And obviously then we've got this microphone for the phone calls. It's a nice little unit, looks really well in there, works really well. This vehicle has also got steering wheel controls, so you can see there, that's volume. So if I just show you on the unit, you can see the volume's going up. Don't want to put it too loud. So the factory controls all still work fine with this unit. For any more information, or if you want something like this doing to your Porsche, if you want to give the guys at Source a call on 0114 257 1550. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.